Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a spelling test. Let's begin. Question 1. Please summarize the main points. The right answer is A. Question 2. He is very intelligent and quick to learn. The right option is B. Question 3. She felt embarrassed after the mistake. The right option is D. Question 4. Your answer should be clear. The right option is C. Question 5. The form is not yet complete. The correct option is A. Question 6. He works in digital marketing. The right option is D. Question 7. She is very sensitive about others' feelings. The correct option is B. Question 8. You should participate in the class. The right option is A. Question 9. Keep the items separate. The right option is A. Question 10. He was briefly interrupted by noise. The correct option is D. Question 11. That film was really emotional. The right option is B. Question 12. We went to the city museum. The right option is A. Question 13. This is an important matter. The right option is C. Question 14. Do you have a better solution? The right option is B. Question 15. She is a talented musician. The right option is A. Question 16. Use a more simple example. The right option is D. Question 17. We want to hire a new chef. The right option is C. Question 18. She is an efficient employee. The right option is D. Question 19. His voice was barely audible. The right option is B. Question 20. I'll review your essay tonight. The right option is A. Question 21. They will announce the results soon. The right option is B. Question 22. I love reading short stories. The right option is D. Question 23. She is a confident speaker. The right option is B. Question 24. He is afraid of snakes. The right option is C. Question 25. He is a productive team member. The right option is A. Question 26. Don't accuse her without proof. The right option is D. Question 27. It's just the beginning of the year. The right option is C. Question 28. Always be polite to guests. The right option is A. Question 29. A ticket is required to enter. The correct option is D. Question 30. This tool is very useful. The right option is C. That's it for today's video, and I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.